Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you are ready to learn English with Mr. Fizri. Okay, as you can see, today is Sunday, Ahad, 24th of October 2021. And today we will do practice on dialogue. Okay, hari ini kita nak berlatih dialog. Okay, today I want you to listen to this dialogue and then I want you to speak and record the dialogue and then send to me. Okay, so basically today we are doing listening and speaking practice. Okay, hari ini kita buat latihan mendengar dan bercakap. Okay, as you know, dialogue is perbualan. So let's see. Okay, so this is a sample of a dialogue when we do shopping in the market. Okay, shopping means membeli belah or membeli barang di market, di pasar. Okay, first of all, I want you to listen to me. Listen to me. Okay, dengar dulu. Okay, saya baca dialog and then I want you to practice at home. After you are ready, after you think you are ready, please record your voice and WhatsApp to me. Okay, so practice dulu, berlatih dulu di rumah and then bila rasa dah ready, record suara melalui WhatsApp dan hantar kepada saya. Okay, tak apa, salah tak apa, jangan takut salah, it's okay because we are learning. Okay, we are learning and in learning process is normal if you do any mistakes. Alright, kita belajar, so kalau salah sebut jangan risau. Alright, so basically this dialogue or this conversation happens at the green grocers. Okay, green grocers means gerai menjual sayur-sayuran. Okay. Okay, so shopkeeper is tukang kedai ataupun tauke kedai. Customer is pelanggan. Okay, so antara tukang jual dan juga pelanggan. Okay, so now we will start. Okay. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I would like some tomatoes, please. Okay, how many? Not too many. 6 tomatoes are enough. Alright, anything else? No, that's all. How much is it? €1, please. Here you are. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay. Can you get the pronunciation? Okay, so now I will repeat one more. Saya ulang semula, alright? So please listen carefully. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I would like some tomatoes, please. Okay, how many? Not too many. 6 tomatoes are enough. Alright, anything else? No, that's all. How much is it? €1, please. Here you are. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, so boleh. Alright, so I will explain to you what is the meaning. Okay, maksud perbualan ini. Hello, can I help you? Hello, boleh saya tolong awak? Yes, I would like some tomatoes, please. Ya, saya nak beli sedikit tomato. Please? Okay. Please tu tolong. Okay. Okay, how many? Okay, berapa banyak? Not too many. 6 tomatoes are enough. Tak banyak sangat. 6 biji tomato dah cukup. Alright, anything else? Okay, nak apa-apa lagi? No, that's all. How much is it? Okay, tak, itu saja. How much is it? Berapa harganya? Okay, is it ni kalau kita baca slowly, how much is it? But if you speak faster, kalau cakap laju-laju, how much is it? How much is it? Okay, so is it pun boleh, is it pun boleh. Alright, 1 euro please. 1 euro. Euro ni adalah mata wang di Eropah. Okay, for example, if you go to Jerman rasanya guna euro. Okay, here you are. Goodbye. Nah, ini dia. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Selamat tinggal. Thank you. Goodbye. Terima kasih. Goodbye. Selamat tinggal. Alright. So, today, very easy. I just want you to record your voice. Hari ni cuma perlu rakam suara dan hantar kepada saya. Okay, so kalau pagi tak sempat nak buat, it's okay. Boleh practice, boleh hantar petang. Right? So one more time, jangan takut salah, and you just do your best, and see you again. And I hope to see your voice. Okay, I hope to listen to your voice. Saya harap saya akan dengar suara kamu semua berlatih membaca dialog. Right? And that's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.